Chapter 13 Adverbs. Learn with me. Adverbs. An adverb describes / modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Let us learn various types of adverbs. Types of adverbs. There are 5 types of adverbs. 1. Adverb of manner. These adverbs tell us the way how something takes place. They answer the question how. Words like loudly, quickly, quietly, easily, happily, slowly, sadly and silently are some examples of adverbs of manner. Examples: Mohan walks slowly. The adverb slowly describes the way he walks. Neha loves puzzles easily. The adverb easily says how Neha solves the puzzles. She completed the task carefully. The adverb carefully describes the way she does her task. Adverb of place. These adverbs talk about the place where something happens. They answer the question where. Words like here, there, inside, outside, near, away and everywhere are some examples of adverbs of place. Examples: She sat beside her friend at the concert. The adverb beside describes that where she sat. There is a coffee shop outside the station. The adverb outside describes the location of the coffee shop. We live near the Red Fort in Delhi. The adverb near says where we live in Delhi. 3. Adverbs of time. These adverbs describe when an action happens. They answer the question when. Words like today, yesterday, early, now, before, after, since and soon are some examples of adverbs of time. Examples: She was searching for an article on Google yesterday. The adverb yesterday talks about the timing of when she was searching the Google. Shubham left the office early. The adverb early says when Shubham left the office. I've been living here since last 2 years. The adverb since talks about the duration of years he's been living there. Adverb of frequency. These adverbs talk about how often something happens. They answer the question how often. Words like never, always, often, frequently, once, every day, seldom and sometimes are some examples of adverbs of frequency. Note: always, 100% of the time. Usually, roughly 90%. Often, roughly 70%. Sometimes, roughly 30%. Rarely, roughly 5%. Never, 0% of the time. Examples: Deepak often forgets his lunch. She always takes the elevator. We rarely watch TV in the evening. We never go to bed late on school nights. Adverbs of degree. The adverbs talk about the question how much or to what degree / extent. Most of these are used either before adjectives or before other adverbs to add something to their meaning. Words like fully, completely, slightly, nearly, fairly, almost, rather, so, to and somewhat are some examples of adverbs of degree. Examples: She is slightly irritated with the noise. She was rather upset about the news. My homework is almost done. Street is rather busy in the evening. He is too young to drive a car. In above given sentences, adverbs of degree are used before adjectives or adverbs to enhance their meaning. They can also be used to modify a verb, adding more detail to the action. See the sentences given below. Examples: My friend fully supported me. I am completely agreeing with you. We really enjoyed the movie. Learn with me.
Did is the past form of do and does. We use did not before the main verb, action word, to make negative sentences in the simple past tense. Did is used with singular and plural nouns and all the pronouns. Examples: He called his uncle. Did he call his uncle? He didn't call his uncle.
Additional insights. Some adjective-looking adverbs are exceptions, so students should recognize their dual roles. Adverbs without ly that seem like adjectives. Words like fast, hard, and late are often mistaken for adjectives but function as adverbs in practical usage. Example: He runs fast. Adverb describing how he runs. She works hard. Adverb describing how she works. They arrived late. Adverb describing when they arrived.